7:30.
25 to 8, Sunday morning. Everybody's here. Look.
Coming down.
Landed.
The planes have landed.
Yeah. The little leprechaun's over there. No, he's gone now. This is my buddy Ron. Stud Muffin over there. And the 2 old maids back there. 3 old maids.
No, wait till we download it.
So has anybody got anything to say that they can say on this?
They can say.
How about you, Foxy?
No,
you're good?
No sayings.
Nothing to say, nothing intelligent for us for next year?
Sayings today.
No advice for next year?
Well, they're done things.
I can't say. Don't let Dave hit my sunburn.
Sorry about that, buddy. Well.
Fucking whack. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Fuck.
This could be the last video for today, unless we get calm water somewhere where I can get her out again.
Well, he's gonna kill him at one time. You
gave him the look at
So, Rookie.
Oh, you just looked over at him and it was like, yeah, you can see the flames.
Rookie, are you coming next year? We get this.
Oh, probably.
Yeah, there he got him now. He's on.